What is up, everybody? This is Dustin Lee, back for part 4 tutorial guide of Resident Evil 4. And we're going to get into it. So, shit. Alright, there's some boxes up here. And a snake. Okay, we got brown chicken egg that the snake dropped. We got some machine gun ammo. That will be useful in a minute. Let me take a look at my map real quick. Alrighty. Looks like we got a grenade down here. Hand grenade that's down here in the water, or near the water. We are just kind of not doing so great on health, so I'm going to heal myself. Alright. Come into this cabin on the left. There's nothing in it though, so don't come into this cabin actually. My bad. Alright. Now you'll notice the red dot on your marker, or on your map. It says that that's your current destination. Now while it is your current destination, you can't access it yet because you don't have the key to unlock it. So if you look on your map where this big orange thing is right here, that's where you need to go to get one step closer to getting the key to unlocking the next part, which is important. And kind of just when you come back out here, or if you even have to come back out here, just kind of outrun the zombies. Don't waste your bullets on them. I was kind of only going back to where we had already been earlier just to show you on the map where your destination actually is. Un parateo. Go, man. I'm gonna shoot this guy in the leg. Alright. Make your way for this wooden door. Reload if you need to. Alright. So now this part might irritate some people if you don't time your shots correctly. I'll let the cutscene play out. So if anybody remembers the beginning of the game, the two police officers that are with Leon S. Kennedy, that's one of them that they captured and killed, and now they're feeding to something, basically in the water. And fortunately for us, we're going to have to cross that same lake in just a moment. So coming to this cabin on the right, there's some handgun ammo. There's a yellow herb in this little crate over here. I'm going to mix it with one of my green herbs because I don't have any other space available in my inventory. And, shit. Fuck, I can't remember. Wait, yeah. Okay, I remember. You come in this cabin, alright? Take the green herb. I'm going to mix it with another green herb so that it's stronger and more potent. Bust this crate. I got some money. Save your game. Saving your game is crucial in this game and very important. If you don't and you make any mistakes, it could really, really suck badly. And you'll notice over here at the end of this dock there's a boat, and you want to get on it and just kind of start driving it. If you're playing on the Xbox Series X, then your left analog is what's going to help you move forward and backwards. So once you get about halfway across the lake, another cutscene will start, and it's going to show you a big angry lake monster. Luckily for me, I just fought this lake monster yesterday on the Resident Evil 4 remake version of this game. But unfortunately, when I go to play the Resident Evil 4 remake version of this game now, the floors seem to glitch out, so everything that you would see under the floors, so say you're on the island, if you were playing separate ways on Ada in this version, then you would literally see the ocean underneath the island instead of the actual ground. But in the original Resident Evil 4, which I also own, the mapping textures are actually, it's easier to process them on the console. So we're gonna throw a couple spears at this guy and his tail. Be warned, he's gonna pop back out of the water in a second. Alright. Oh shit, and I don't know where he is, but I know he's somewhere. Okay, he's over to the right. Wait till he gets really close and spear him in the mouth. Now he's going to drag you around a little bit more. Watch out for the wooden logs. You kind of want to just strafe left and right using the left analog stick so that you can avoid the logs. Oh shit. Swim, Leon, swim. Gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast. There we go. Alright, I gotta heal real quick before I die. So I'm gonna use my green herb mixed with another green herb, and we are fully healed. And we're gonna throw a spear in his tail before he goes underwater and pops back out. And now we're gonna hit him with a couple more right now. One. We got 2 spears in him, I think, just then. Alright, he's coming from the right side again. Remember, when he gets close, you want to throw a spear directly at the center of his mouth. And then he'll go back and submerge underwater again. We got one spear off in his tail. Let's pop it back out of the water. And we're going to get some more spears off here in his tail. And that was the killing blow. Alright, and in this cutscene, towards the end of it, Leon's going to make his way towards a little cabin, but the Las Plagas is starting to kick into his bloodstream even more quickly than it already was, basically resulting in Leon to pass out for about 3 hours and then wake up. Go ahead and save your game. And this is where Leon is about to wake up from his 3-hour nap due to the Las Plagas causing him to have a severe reaction to it. Oh, 6 hours since our last transmission, so he fell asleep and took a 6-hour nap. I said it was a 3-hour nap, but I was wrong. There's some handgun ammo on the table. You look on the edge of this counter, or not countertop, but whatever the fuck it is, there's a flash grenade. Got some money in a box over here. And kick open the door. Come over to the right and enter this door. Now this is where you encounter your first zombie that grows a second head. And the only way to remove the parasite from its head is to, well, you'd probably guess, shoot it in the head. Damn, this is like taking a lot of shots. It takes a lot of, if you're using the Punisher handgun, I mean, you saw I just shot that guy in the head like 8 or 9 times and he still didn't die, so we're gonna switch to our flash grenade. And that will instantly kill them. Now I have another flash grenade in my inventory, but for the purpose of this gameplay, I'm gonna save that flash grenade for a different time. I'm gonna equip my shotgun just to reload it, and then switch back to my pistol. jump over this, over to here. There's going to be a little rope over here that you can take down to descend this mountainside. Come over to the left. And see this chain right here attached to the box? You want to shoot the chain attached to the box, and the box will fall in the water. And you can jump to that box. Alright, now look over to your right. There's another box with a chain on it. Shoot it. And then there's one more a little bit higher up. Shoot that one too. The first thing we do before we go cross those over those other two boxes is there's a ladder over here. Climb it. This crate. And we have ourselves a green herb. Jump back down the ladder. Now we're going to jump over those two boxes that we shot down. And then make our way towards the right. Don't go up the ladder just yet, as there's a box or a barrel right here. But you'll find that there's nothing inside of it. Now climb up the ladder. Hit the lever. Pull the lever, you want to say yes. It's gonna... Alright, now jump down the ladder. Jump back over the boxes that we jumped. Until you're on the middle platform. There's going to be some dudes chasing you, so I recommend equipping your shotgun. Equip your shotgun. But you know what? First, before we actually use our shotgun, we're going to use that second flash grenade. Toss it. It's going to stun him. Run up and kick the first guy. Now switch to your shotgun. And get a couple shots off on him. And then make a run for it. You want to grab this. This is your entryway to get inside of the church to save Ashley. So once you grab this, it'll open this passage. Skip the Hunnigan conversation dialogue. Open this door. There's some barrels over to the right. I'm not close enough to do anything though. We got some money. We got some more money. And we got our boat back. Now all we're doing here is we're heading back to the church so that we can save Ashley. I'm gonna reload my shotgun. Well, I can't reload my shotgun, never mind. Now, if you're smart, before you go back into this door right here, with you remember earlier when I showed you those two cabins and one had a spindle inside of it? Don't walk through that gate yet. Come back down to where the merchant is, and I'll show you why this is important. Jump down the ladder. We're gonna go have a word with the merchant real quick. Alright, now that we are where the merchant is, you're going to have to do this. I know you're not going to want to do it, but it is necessary. Go to the buy menu where you can purchase stuff. You'll notice the rocket launcher is 30,000. I only have 19,700. So sell your Punisher handgun. I know you just got it from shooting the Bloomin' Aliens, but it's necessary for this next part. So sell your Punisher handgun. You can get it back later, I promise. And now go back to the buy menu. And you want to get the rocket launcher. Now you're going to look in your inventory and you're not going to have enough room to put the rocket launcher. So what do? I'll show you in just a second. Temporarily put your shotgun in the discard and the weapons you want to discard, but we're not actually going to discard it, and I'll show you. Okay. Actually, yes. Discard your shotgun and sell your Punisher handgun. That way you have enough room to actually put your RPG inside of your inventory. Now, equip your rocket launcher. And when you've done that, go back up the ladder. Now, having the rocket launcher for this next part is very important, as it is a very big time saver. So basically, they're about to show you why you want the rocket launcher for this part. Trust me, for this part, if you're trying to shoot this guy with just your pistol and your shotgun or your machine gun, if you still have it, it's not going to do as much damage as you think, and it's going to prolong a fight significantly longer. But take a couple steps back, pull out your rocket launcher, shoot him one time with the rocket launcher, and this guy is toast.